Over the years, ano na ba yung definition mo ng pagiging phenomenal?
Kasi over the years, syempre nagbabago. Kaya magandang tanong mo, over the years, ano yung definition ko ng phenomenon? Rhea and I, we have been able to experience the taste of success once in our lives. And it really now, sa dami ng nangyayari sa paligid, it really takes a phenomenon to be able to sustain that. Not everyone is able to sustain success, happiness. Not everyone is able to reach longevity. Diba? Ang daming mga pangalan or brands or mga pangyayari sa buhay na nakita mo na siya, nag-exist, and then after a while, nawala na. So for me, pagiging phenomenal is to be able to be there and still be there tomorrow. Just like you did. You've been there and you're still there.
Thank you.
Grabe si Meme, para na yan sa Miss, Papatungan ako. Parang beauty queen ito na. Makatalino.
Lista ko yung sagot mo yun.
I love it.
Salamat, Sir Josh Mercado. Ngayon naman